Welcome to EDUTET. Today we are going to study about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are basic rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India to ensure equality, freedom, justice, and dignity for all citizens. What are fundamental rights? They are essential rights that protect individuals from arbitrary actions of the state and help in the overall development of personality. Key features guaranteed by the Constitution. Enforceable by courts. Available to all citizens. Some rights are available to all persons. Protect individual liberty and equality. Promote justice and democracy. 6 Fundamental Rights. 1. Right to equality. Articles 14 to 18. Equality before law. Equal protection of laws. Prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Abolishes untouchability and titles. Though. Right to freedom. Articles 19 to 22. Freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of assembly. Freedom to form associations. Freedom of movement. Freedom to reside anywhere in India. Freedom to practice any profession. Protection of life and personal liberty. 3. Right against exploitation. Articles 2-3-24. Prohibits human trafficking. Prohibits forced labor. Prohibits employment of children below 14 years in hazardous occupations. 4. Right to freedom of religion. Articles 25 to 28. Freedom of conscience. Freedom to profess, practice, and propagate religion. No discrimination on religious grounds. 5. Cultural and educational rights. Articles 29 to 30. Protects interests of minorities. Right to preserve language, script, and culture. Right to establish and administer educational institutions. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Citizens can approach the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. Called the Heart and Soul of the Constitution by B.R. Ambedkar. Important facts. Fundamental rights are included in Part 3 of the Constitution. Covered under Articles 1-35. Came into force on the 26th of January 1950. Rights are not absolute. Reasonable restrictions can be imposed in the interest of public order, morality, and security. During a national emergency, certain rights may be suspended according to constitutional provisions. Significance. Fundamental rights protect individual freedoms, ensure equality and justice, safeguard democracy, promote human dignity and national unity. Mnemonic for the 6 rights. EFERCR. Equality, freedom, exploitation, against, religion, freedom of, cultural or educational rights, remedies, constitutional. Thank you. Like, share and follow my page.